Gaming here, and welcome to another video of MotoGP 18, and today we are going to be doing another video about MotoGP 19. So, basically, if you don't know, that MotoGP 19 hasn't started on my channel yet. I know that the game has been out for, it's been out for 2 months now, but I haven't started it yet. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go through the week and date of when MotoGP 19 is coming onto my channel. I was actually supposed to be starting the game. I was supposed to be starting it a month ago, but I had a massive sort of delay problem. I totally forgot about it, and I just never went to it. Basically, I never did any videos about it or anything like that. But I've got a new date of when it's going to be starting. So it's going to be at the end of September somewhere. That's where it's going to be starting. So it'll be on Wednesday and Thursday. So I'll be doing the game twice days, and yeah, I'm just going to be talking about it. So I'm going to do 3 races for this video, and I'm going to be going through, of what they'll be, by the way. So it'll be at the end of September somewhere. At the moment, I don't know where, but it'll be somewhere like that. It'll be somewhere like that anyway. But at the moment, I don't know where, but it'll be somewhere like that. But yeah, that's why I just want to let you guys all know. And as I previously mentioned as well, I'll be doing all the first stuff in it. Like I do a first play video and stuff like that. So I'll be doing all that. But yeah, what to say. Just to let you know. And oh yeah, this video is scheduled as well. So it won't be on until about, I think about 10 or 11 o'clock, something like that. Be on at that time anyway, I think. Be somewhere like that. But yeah, be somewhere like that, that'll be on. We're not going till about 5:30. Yeah, I think I said about 5 or just after 5 o'clock. Or it might be about 5:30. Or it might be about 5:30. Or it might be about 5:30.
Hi motorcycle fans tuning in. Today's MotoGP race is being held in the hills of Tuscany.
Okay.
We are moving now to the starting grid.
Right, pretty much everything. We don't need to do anything in the settings are all.
Start the race. Tension is sky high, but these guys are seasoned pros, able to withstand any kind of pressure.
Alright, okay, let's get underway then, guys. And I want to let you know as well, by the way, that career mode will be back tomorrow. Just to let you know, we're going to continue through that, just to let you know. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know about that.
Not long to go now until the Italian Grand Prix here in Mugello, one of the most challenging and spectacular tracks in the entire championship.
Right, here we go. So, yeah, so that week and date. So, yeah, the game's going to be on twice a week again. So it's going to be on Wednesday and on Thursdays. And career mode will be on Thursdays, I'll be doing it. On Wednesday, I'll be doing new series and stuff like that. And I know that Thursday will be based on career mode. So career mode will basically be based on Thursdays with other stuff as well. So I'll be doing random videos and stuff like that as well. So a bunch of different kind of things I'll be doing on the game, because obviously I just don't want to do career. I want to do other stuff as well. Also online will be based on Thursday as well. So I'll be doing some online racing. Hopefully that'll be good. So yeah, hopefully online is going to be good as well. Yeah, I can't wait to do some online on that MotoGP. Hopefully it's going to be good on there. I'm actually not sure whether there's going to be any people online on this MotoGP. I actually don't know. I actually don't know whether there will be, actually. I was actually thinking there probably were, because I know that I haven't done any online racing in a while. So hopefully there's going to be some people on that MotoGP online. I'm actually totally not sure. I'm actually not sure, actually. I don't actually really know. There might be some on that one, I don't know. Hopefully there will be. So I definitely want to play some online on that MotoGP as well. Especially on this MotoGP. So not that many online races on this MotoGP. I think I've only done about 3 videos on it so far. Yeah, I need to get back into some online because I haven't done mine in ages. Oh Jesus! I don't know why I did that. But yeah, it'll be twice a week, and I think it'll be about 4 videos. 4 on a Wednesday, 4 on a Thursday, and that's what I've decided for. It might be cutting down a bit. I don't know, maybe about like 4 or 3 videos on the days or something like that. Because as I previously mentioned, I want to do like other stuff on the game as well. I just don't want to do like career mode and stuff, so I want to do like other stuff as well. So hopefully I'll bring it out to about 4 or 3 videos or something like that. Just like. I'll let you know anyway. Yeah, but somewhere like that. But yeah, hopefully it should be a good one. But we've pretty much said everything, to be honest with you. Don't want to really say as much, by the way, but that's kind of everything that we've kind of said, to be honest. That's what I just want to let you know, so that's kind of where the week and date we're starting at. And yeah, not really much to say. Pretty much kind of gone through it now anyway. We'll drop it down to 2 races actually. No, I'll drop it down to 2. I'll drop it down to 2 races just because there's not really any more else to say, to be honest. Yeah, hopefully you guys are looking forward to MotoGP 19. And I've said it a lot already, but I might say it a lot, mention it a lot, just because we haven't talked about it as much. Like I said, there will be like an announcement trail and stuff like that coming on it as well, so I will try and do that as well. But yeah, hopefully it's going to be good. Don't know if there's really any tips I need to know about MotoGP. Probably not. But yeah, hopefully it should be good. As I said, I will hopefully put a lot of content videos into it as well.
While the riders complete their victory lap and return to the park. Judging from the ride.
Right, let's go and do another race then. the markers. So yeah, that's everything that I've said, to be honest. Well, everything that I've kind of thought of. But yeah, hopefully that the game should be good. And I'll let you know as well that on Minecraft we're doing 5 videos on there. We're doing my lovely world. We're doing the offline world, and we're doing 3 new series, 3 new flat worlds, and they're going to be 3 new building things I'm going to be doing. I've started to do a new sort of like project on Minecraft where I build like different stuff on it, and it'll be on flat worlds in creative. So I'll be building 3 different things for now in creative, in a normal super flat world, normal texture pack. So starting them 3, and then it'll be offline world after that. I think it'll be 2 videos in that world, and it'll be 2 videos in my lovely world. There might be 1 video in my lovely world.
Hello and welcome
No, 2
to the
videos in my
circuit
lovely
of
world.
Barcelona, Catalonia. We'll be bringing you live coverage.
Be a normal episode and like one of them little short clip videos.
Showing us the riders concentrating before the start of the race.
And then that's it. And then get them videos all scheduled, and then I'll be off to the club. Because I've not got that long now till I go, so I'll have to try and do them quite quick. I'm not going till about 5:30 or something like that. Yeah, I'll be setting off at about 5:30 from here.
Just a few moments to go and the Catalan Grand Prix will officially begin. Riders are getting focused because they know that they'll have to give 100% from the very beginning.
But yeah, that's kind of everything that I've kind of said about the weekend day. I just wanted to let you guys all know. But I think that's kind of everything that I've said, to be honest. Let me know what you think about it. But yeah, hopefully it should be good. It should be a good one to play it. But yeah, just let me know in the comments what you're gonna think about it and all that. Yeah, just let me know. Love to hear from you. Love to hear what you say. But yeah, we'll be coming on very soon, guys, I promise you. I know that it's been a long time, but as I said, it will be coming on, don't worry. Yeah, it might be a little bit of a while yet, but hopefully very soon. yeah, we'll be on very soon. Promise you. Not that I haven't started it, but it will be on. Don't worry. But yeah, that's kind of everything that I've kind of said really. I will try and do more videos on this before I do start the game. I know that obviously I haven't done many videos of talking about it yet, but I'll try and do a lot more videos of talking about it anyway, and let you know a little bit more. But yeah, I've kind of said mostly everything about it, and yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know in the video just about it. That's all. Just let you all know, but I think I kind of mentioned pretty much everything about it anyway, and just wanted to let you guys pretty much all know about it if you're looking forward to the game or something like that, and just any tips or anything like that. But yeah, there'll be a lot more stuff I'll be doing on this MotoGP and MotoGP 19 as well. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to spread it out a little bit compared to playing goes on there. So yeah, as I mentioned, it'll be twice days, Wednesday and Thursdays. Obviously Thursdays will be mainly the career, and then hopefully on Wednesday I'll be doing some other stuff as well. And yeah, hopefully it should be just really fun, to be honest. Hopefully it should be quite good. But that's pretty much everything that I've said, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. I will try and do another video at some point in about next week or the week after about it again. And I will let you know. But yeah, that's the week update. So thank you for watching this MotoGP 18 video about MotoGP 19. And I'll see you all later. Bye!
While the riders complete their victory lap and return to the Parc Fermé, let's take a look at the final ranking of today's race.